Hello guys, in this video we will talk about some of the most used built-in Python function. The first one is the absolute function, which returns the absolute value of any integer or float number. For example, if we declare a variable a, which is equal to, for example, to -5. So by using the absolute function, we get a positive value of a. So let's print it. Let's use print abs, and inside the bracket let's put a variable a. So we'll notice that when we print it, a will be positive. Let's give it a try. Okay, you see we get 5. So it's no longer a negative value. The next one is the round function, and the round function returns a floating point number that is a rounded version of a specified number with a specified number of decimals. So in almost all mathematical calculation that involve multiplication or division, we may end up with a large number after the decimal point. For example, if we declare a variable c and give it a very large number, for example 12.87145624, for example, this is fairly large. And if we don't want to store it like this, we may want to use the round function to follow by comma and then how many digits we want to round it off to. So let's give it a try. See if I want to print it. I will use round, and I will inside the bracket I will put our function, comma. If I want, for example, to round it to 2, I will put 2 here. And if we print it, you will notice that our this variable will be short. So let's give it a try. You can see we have 12.77. So that's how the round function works. The next one is the power function. This function returns the value of, for example, x number to the power of another number, for example y number here. If we have, for example, we declare a variable x which is equal to 4, and inside the bracket, for example 4 and 2, this means that it will print, if we want to print the value of x, it will print 4 square 2. I mean 4 to the power of 2, which is equal to 60. We can try it. We can give it a try. I will print it by, I will print the value of x. So we get 16 here. So we have, it means that we calculated 4 to the power of 2, and it's 60. We can have another case where this power function we can actually put 3 input inside the bracket. And when we have this case, it means that this function returns the value of x to the power y modulus z. We can let's give it a try. If we, for example, we declare a variable b, which is equal to our base 4 to the power of 2, and then modulus 5, and let's print the value of b. We get 1. So it's actually, what happened is it's calculate 4 to the power of 2, which is 16, and divide it by 5. So it's actually 16, which is equal to 1. So that's it, guys. That's some of the most used mathematical Python function. I hope you get some value from this video, and feel free to like, comment, and share. Thanks.